Okay, we're going to continue on the same drawing, so you don't need to start a fresh paper. Just continue on the same drawing. What we're going to do, we're going to introduce a cut. Usually in the classroom, we use a color, and what we're going to do is the same. So basically, choose any color you want. I will do it blue, okay? And we're going to draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees. So this line, do it at an angle of 45 degrees. If you want the measurement from where to start, you can measure from there till there, measure 40 millimeter and do a line of 45 degrees. Okay, so this line is 45 degrees. So basically, from the prisms and cylinders, there are some things which are similar and sometimes some things which are a bit different. First and foremost, the plan. When we did the prisms and the pyramids, if you notice over here, for instance, this drawing, the plan remained the same. There were no changes with the cut. In this case, there are gonna be changes, and the changes is gonna be like this. With the construction line, from here I'm gonna drop a line, and I'm gonna stop at number 1 because this cut is cutting number 1, intersecting number 1 at that point. From here I'm going down, okay? So the problem it's in the middle. If you notice, if I go down from the middle, I'm not gonna have an intersection. So to continue the drawing, the best thing to do is continue or finish the end view. The end view is quite straightforward. From the 1, I'm gonna project and stop there. From 2 and 4, I'm gonna project and I have points on 2 and 4. And from 3, I'm gonna project and stop at 3. With the outline, I'm gonna join the cut, which is like this. So this is the result when cutting at an angle of 45 degrees. To give you an idea on the 3D model, a quick idea. Alright, exactly as we do in the classroom, so you can easily understand. Okay, wait a bit. Well, this is 45 degrees cut. Hmm? So this is the front view with the cut. This is the end view. The plan, as you're noticing, is gonna change because the apex is not there anymore. It's been discarded, thrown away. Alright? So how we're gonna obtain that view? To do it, the best thing, 1 and 3, they are already in place. What we need to do is now transfer number 4. I'm going down on the 45 degrees line here as well, where they intersect, where the line is intersect with the 45 degrees. I'm gonna transfer. Okay, and I have all the necessary points now. Outline, I'm gonna join 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is the plan which is done. So the orthographic is ready. Of course, you're understanding that changes need to be done also in the development, and the changes are quite straightforward. All right. So to do the development, it is very important to keep this in mind, the true length, what we said in the first lesson. So with the compass, I'm gonna measure. Well, I'm gonna start Mela, the first line is number 3. With the compass, I'm gonna put the compass over there and measure that particular point, which is 35. Okay? With the compass, first thing, by the way, before I continue, the best thing is to do the numbers on the development as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Again, I'm gonna change them. So this is number 2. Alright. Here we have number 3. Okay. Here we have number 4 on the design. Yes, sir. We said this one is 35 millimeter from here till there. So with the compass on number 3, I'm gonna measure 35, and that is my point. You can do a point with the pencil in my or an arc. In my case, I'm gonna just do a tiny circle. Okay. When it comes to measure 2 and 4, I'm not gonna measure from here because this is not true length. So I'm gonna measure again on number 3, but till here. So 2 and 4, I'm gonna measure 46. This is very important to notice. So I cannot measure nothing from any line which is not real, which is not true length. Always transfers the points on the true length. So in my case it's 46. You don't need to measure with a ruler, preferably use a compass. So you're gonna open compass from there till there, which is 46. I'm going on 2 and 4 here, 46, and like that I obtained another 2 points. Important to be on numbers 2 and number 4, as you're seeing over here. Okay, the last part is number 1. Again, I'm gonna measure on number 3. In my case, it's 66 millimeter. Okay, so 66. In your case, just do an arc, not as I'm doing here, a complete circle. There's no need to do a complete circle. Okay, and like that, I found also number 1. Number 1 is repeated. Then with the outline, in my case, I'm going to use the blue color. In your case, first do with the pencil. When you're sure that the drawing is correct, then do it with the color if you want as well. Always use one color for the whole drawing. So in my case, if I used blue, make sure you use the same color for the cut in the plan, in the front, in the end, and in the development. And like that, the drawing is done. So it means that if I had to cut this development, when I join it, it will result in this particular shape. Okay, next lesson we're gonna do what we call the lid, the true shape of the top, because the development, it gives us all these points. I'm gonna color them so you will easily understand which are these. This is the development, okay, with the color. The plan is equivalent to the base, so the plan is ready. The only thing missing in this drawing is the lid, which is this part over there. That part is equivalent to this shape, but in real it is longer. I will explain next lesson. For now, we're gonna stop here. Hope you understand this lesson. Thank you.